Hi, everybody. I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough on how to use Microsoft Teams. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to teams.microsoft.com/downloads, and you're going to click Download Teams. You don't need to sign up because we already have accounts through the district. And when you click download Teams, a folder is going to pop up here and you're going to open it and it'll launch and have you put in your work email address and password. So I already have Teams open. Another way to access Teams is through Microsoft Office. It's making me sign back in. Let me show everybody. So I want to show you one other way to access Teams. If you go to the district single sign-on and click on Office 365, you'll see a link for Teams right here. And this is bringing me to the online Microsoft Teams, but I want to show you from that download, this is how you get it on your desktop. So I have an icon right here for Microsoft Teams, and I am a member of 3 teams. So I'm going to click on the Lincoln Middle Staff. And this is where you can see announcements about what's going on around Lincoln. The general channel is just updates where we can post things as a school. We can also add files if we have any newsletters or something important that we want everyone to view. It can be housed here. And then I also have listed all of our meetings. So each week we're going to meet by department. ELA is going to meet on, well, I'll start with Monday first. So Monday, elective teams are going to meet. Tuesday will be math. Wednesday will be ELA. Thursday, science. And Friday will be social studies. And then every single day at 1 o'clock, I am available to meet with you for Schoology support. So I had a meeting open today, but no one showed up. So if you want to start a meeting, so let's say, for example, today we have our math meeting at 2 o'clock. For me to start the meeting, I'm going to click this icon right here that says Meet Now. It looks like a little camera. And then I'm going to click Meet Now. Video isn't working. Okay, so my video is not working right now because I'm currently using it to record this, but this will show up and it's an area where we can work together. It's just like Zoom. We can share our screens and we can also share files. So I'll show you, for example, there's a couple of files that I've added in for the math department right here. And then if you click on posts, this is similar to a Facebook wall where you can type back and forth to each other about, what questions you have about math. So again, we're going to be meeting in here. You can check on your calendar to see when our meetings are scheduled. So for example, my Schoology is from 1 to 2. I'm going to scroll up and show you that our weekly team meetings are starting at 11 until 11:45. Occasionally, I may have to switch meetings because I have a meeting that conflicts. But otherwise, if you want to set up your own meeting, you can either meet now if you want your team to meet together, or you can create a new meeting. So let's say maybe instead of the departments, a grade level wants to meet. So you could say grade level meeting. And then you would add some people. So I'm just going to add Ms. Valdez for an example. So I'm going to invite my speaker, and then down here where it says add channel, I'm going to click on Lincoln Middle Staff, and then the channel where we're going to meet. So we would click on we would meet on ELA for our Wednesday meeting, so I'd post that there. And then any details you want to say about the meeting, maybe the purpose of it, could be put in here. So for example, Ms. Valdez and I, maybe we're going to meet with our grade level team to talk about assignments and how many we're assigning. That might be an option. All right, so again, this is Microsoft Teams. It's available for everyone in the district, and you can also chat with people too. So this chat feature gives you some information about, people. You can ask questions, see how things are going. This is my colleague. I just typed to her that I figured out how to use Microsoft Teams. But you can just, go back and forth and ask questions and get a hold of someone. And you can also make phone calls. So thank you, everybody. Have a good day, and I'll see you math department today for our check-in. All right, have a great week.